Welcome to Review Lab. The best bleach dispenser is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a pristine laundry room, ensuring your whites stay brilliantly white and your colors remain vibrant without the risk of accidental spills or over-application that can damage fabrics. This innovative device takes the guesswork out of laundry day, providing a consistent and safe way to add bleach to your wash cycle, thereby protecting your clothes and your washing machine from the harsh effects of undiluted bleach, making it a must-have for any household that values efficiency and garment care. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, 3 PCS. Introducing our Crevice Cleaning Brush, designed to make even the biggest messes manageable. Crafted from durable plastic and alloy, these brushes are built to last and tackle any cleaning challenge. With its narrow head, this tool effortlessly reaches into tight gaps and corners. It's perfect for removing dust and debris from those hard-to-reach areas, simplifying your cleaning routine. This multifunctional brush is ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. From grout lines and windowsills to appliance gaskets and car interiors, it handles it all with ease. Designed for your comfort and convenience, it features a non-slip grip and pliable bristles. This ensures a comfortable hold and effective cleaning, saving your hands from strain. Keep your cleaning tools organized and dry with the convenient hanging hole. These compact brushes won't take up much space, making them perfect for any home. Looking for a practical gift? These cleaning supplies make an excellent present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. Give the gift of a cleaner home. What we like? This set of brushes is designed for those tough-to-reach spots. Its narrow head and hard bristles make it ideal for scrubbing grout and tight corners. If you're looking for a tool to tackle detailed cleaning in your bathroom or kitchen, this is a great choice. What people say. The dispenser is a great addition to the laundry room, making it easy to add bleach to loads without spills. I love how the dispenser measures out the perfect amount of bleach every time, no more guessing. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great on my laundry shelf. Number 4. KIVY Brown Glass Soap Dispenser Set, 2x 16 ounces. Introducing the KIVY Glass Soap Dispenser Set, a stylish and functional addition to your home. This set includes two 16-ounce dispensers, perfect for various liquids. Never mix up your bottles again. This set comes with 6 waterproof labels, including options for body wash, conditioner, dish soap, hand wash, lotion, and shampoo. Add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen and bathroom. These dispensers are designed to complement your decor, making your space look more aesthetic. Crafted from durable glass, these dispensers are built to last. They offer a sturdy and long-lasting solution for your everyday needs. Experience easy dispensing with the innovative 2 cubic centimeters pump. It's designed for effortless use, whether you're dispensing hand soap or lotion. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This well-made glass dispenser set makes a perfect housewarming present or a treat for yourself. It's designed for longevity and style. What we like? Elevate your kitchen and bathroom aesthetics with this elegant glass dispenser set. It comes with waterproof labels for easy organization of your soaps and lotions. If you appreciate both style and functionality in your home accessories, this set will add a touch of sophistication. What people say. The dispenser is easy to use and has a good capacity. It looks nice on the shelf and dispenses the right amount of bleach. The design is clever and prevents spills. Number 3. 2-pack 78-ounce laundry detergent dispenser. Never worry about running out of detergent again. Each of these dispensers holds a large 78-ounce capacity, meaning fewer refills and more time for you. Plus, the included measuring cup ensures you use just the right amount every time. Keep your laundry area tidy and stylish with these versatile dispensers. They come with 4 waterproof labels for different detergents, bleach, or fabric softener, fitting perfectly into any decor, from farmhouse to modern. Crafted from clear, BPA-free PET plastic, these dispensers are built to last without the worry of breakage or rust. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wash with soap and water for repeated use. Pouring and dispensing are made simple with a wide mouth and a comfortable portable handle. A silicone ring seal prevents leaks and spills, ensuring a clean and neat experience with every use. Looking for a practical and thoughtful gift? These dispensers are a unique choice for housewarmings or any occasion, adding a touch of organization and style to any laundry room. What we like? This dispenser set offers a generous capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. Its leak-proof design ensures a clean pouring experience every time. If you need a practical and organized solution for your laundry room, especially for larger households, this set is highly recommended. What people say. The dispenser is easy to use and has a good capacity. It dispenses the correct amount of bleach every time, preventing waste. The design is sleek and fits well in my laundry room. Number 2. Besuerte Glass Laundry Detergent Dispenser Set. Tired of bulky plastic bottles? Upgrade your laundry routine with our premium glass detergent dispensers. They're a stylish and sustainable choice, reducing waste and enhancing your space. Transform your laundry area into a clutter-free oasis. These elegant dispensers add a clean, modern touch, perfect for all your laundry liquids. Keep your space organized and looking its best. Enjoy the convenience of a large 50-ounce capacity in each dispenser. This means fewer refills and more time for yourself. The transparent design lets you easily see when it's time to top up. Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant glass, these dispensers are built to last. They are BPA-free and reusable, offering a high-quality alternative to traditional plastic containers. This set includes everything you need: 2 glass bottles, 2 pumps, 2 caps, and 2 handy hanging tags. It's the perfect blend of farmhouse charm and practical organization for your laundry room. Add a touch of farmhouse charm to your modern home. These dispensers not only look great but also provide a functional and organized way to store your laundry essentials. What we like. Upgrade your laundry space with these stylish and eco-friendly glass dispensers. The large 50-ounce capacity means fewer refills, and the mason jar design adds a charming touch. If you're looking to reduce plastic use and add a clean, modern look to your laundry area, these are perfect. What people say. The dispenser is easy to install and use. It holds a good amount of bleach and dispenses it accurately. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my laundry room decor. Number 1. GMISUN Farmhouse Laundry Detergent Dispenser, 64 ounces 3-pack. Do you find yourself juggling multiple detergent bottles? Our set of 3 dispensers is the perfect solution to organize your laundry essentials, making your space tidy and visually appealing. Replace those mismatched bottles with our stylish, uniform dispensers. They bring a clean, modern aesthetic to your laundry area, complementing any decor. Each set includes versatile labels and cap options, allowing you to personalize your dispensers. Use them for detergent, softener, bleach, or even repurpose them for other liquids. With a large 64-ounce capacity, these dispensers hold enough for a month's use for your family. The secure pump design prevents leaks and spills, ensuring a mess-free experience. Crafted from heavy-duty polymer, they offer the clarity of glass without the fragility. They are built to withstand moisture and daily use, maintaining their pristine look over time. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for immediate organization. Enjoy a beautifully organized and functional laundry space with ease. What we like. This dispenser set is built with heavy-duty, shatterproof polymer, offering durability without the weight of glass. It comes with versatile cap options and a large 64-ounce capacity for convenience. If you need a robust, long-lasting, and organized solution for multiple laundry liquids, this set is an excellent, practical choice. What people say. It's a good size for my laundry room and dispenses the bleach accurately. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great on my shelf. Easy to use and refill, makes doing laundry a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.